Mike Mo.
For sure.
I like chill with Mike Mo. He has a cool ass name. One day I'm gonna get him to start rapping like a motherfucker. Yo, Victory Goldberg, I own this fucking bitch. I own this fucking level that you'll never fucking reach. I own this fucking level that you'll never fucking get. And you don't even understand it, I don't make sense. I'm like an extraterrestrial with other fucking G in front of it, get it? I really don't give a fuck, I am a G like genius and I am generous. So I will fucking hand you and speed it to fucking people through the fucking lyrics. Go into your motherfucking mouth or you just fucking eat it up. Or it just goes into your ears and this is box your fucking eardrums. You do not even know what this is. Squash these cockroaches like you don't even know. Like I just do my thing and I just got the fucking flow. Man, chillin' with my motherfucker, yeah, Mike Mo. You don't know about me and my motherfucking flow. You don't know about me and my motherfucking bro. You don't know about my cousin, my friends, and the motherfucking family. And sometimes I don't really know if they ever fucking just really fucking give a shit if I am really rapping. I don't really know. I don't have a motherfucking phone, so I don't know anybody's numbers to call them. And I have been on Facebook, so I can't even solve this motherfucking problems. But I'll tell you this one thing, that I can solve this motherfucking rap game like you don't even know, man. Now I got this shit. I'm the fucking one with the motherfucking key that fits so greatly. You don't even know this bitch fucking screams and she fucking thanks me. Thank you, Victory Goldberg. You're the fucking best. I love your new fucking name, Lil Oh Victory. Yeah, love. You can call me the best fucking rapper in the world, and I love everyone. So you fucking hate me for hating, and I really don't know what I'm saying, and I'm not really hating. I'm fucking loving everybody. You don't know what I'm doing. I'm just saying that you'll never fucking defeat me, and I'm the fucking greatest rapper forever. Y'all don't even know, but I can freestyle better than anybody could fucking write. And so you can take your motherfucking pen and write some notes, little motherfucking kids. Little fucking kids. Oh my god, he's keep on saying motherfucker. I think he's got a fucking problem. He can't stop saying problems. I mean fucking. I don't really know. Now he's got me saying fucking. Now I'm fucking trucking. Gotta keep him saying fucking. I got my fucking luck and I don't know where it is gone. I got my fucking woman, but she's walking through the park and she's see another guy. Oh, she saw a dog. She fucking a dog in the motherfucking lawn on the fucking park. Everybody fucking saw, and I don't really know, so I got my chainsaw and I'ma kill that fucking bitch, kill it on the lawn. I don't really know now. There's the fucking law. There's the fucking 5-0. There's the fucking cops. Cops gonna kill me. I don't really care. I'ma cut the heads off, man. I fucking swear. I'ma take the car to the motherfucking beach and I fucking go swimming off this motherfucking blood on my motherfucking fingers on this chainsaw too, man. I gotta kill more people who saw me doing my fucking thing, just killing everybody with my motherfucking mouth. It's called a motherfucking cannon. I'ma fucking blow your ass up. You can stand it. I'ma do my motherfucker. Y'all can't stand cause your fucking legs blew off and y'all fucking head. You can even fucking stand cause you all so dead, looking like fucking zombies. Y'all fucking Nazis. I'ma shoot you down, but hate to be the greatest. Hate to be the greatest, man. I fucking understand that I could be like fucking you don't even know, but I don't wanna be like compared to that motherfucking German. Motherfucker, I'm just saying I'm the germ that just goes into your head really quick like a virus. I'm the fucking one that plants my shit like lyrics go ahead and jets just land. I don't really know, but I'm higher than the level you and never fucking stand on. Bitch, you don't even know what I'm doing. I do this shit fucking better than anybody is pursuing the motherfucking American dream. And I'm the motherfucking American poet like in rebirth. You don't really know what I am fucking doing. I'm doing this shit and I can fucking walk on the water and I can fly over mountains, fly over y'all. Fucking lyrics you can just dry in the heart.